Would you like to manifest the life of your dreams? Maybe you're trying too hard. Let the universe do the work for you. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Today we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Let the universe do the work for you. Oftentimes, we put all of our willpower and we take this massive action and we get all fired up and all excited when all we really need to do is take a step back and let the universe do the work for us. So high flyers, once you follow the techniques I share with you in this video, you're going to find that the universe begins working for you, that you don't have to force the universe into manifesting what you deeply desire. The universe will just send it your way. It's a wonderful, absolutely incredible experience when you can just relax and receive. So high flyers, I come from a family that is half Italian and half German, and both sides were really focused on hard work and pushing and pounding, and the more you worked, the more money you made. And maybe that was true for them, but I believe it's a limiting belief for most of us today, that most of us really don't need to work harder to make more money, to attract the manifestation that we desire, whether it be money or love or vitality, happiness, health, whatever it is you desire. The other limiting belief that I personally had is that I needed to work faster. Faster, come on, quick. And the faster that I worked, the more I would make. Now, I do believe that money loves speed. I think speed is important. I still believe that. That may be a limiting belief, but I believe it. But I don't necessarily believe that I need to work faster in order to generate more of what I desire in my life. I believe that it is a combination of balance between inspired action on the one hand and detachment on the other. I know that sounds crazy, doesn't it? Inspired action. In other words, you're inspired to be in the spirit, to be fired up, to be excited on one hand, and detached on the other. In other words, high flyers, it's a balancing act of wanting something, desiring something, and not needing it at all. I don't need that. I'm not dependent on that. And just letting it happen. Many years ago, I attracted a beautiful 450 Mercedes into my life. I had that car for several years. I only used it to pick company up at the airport and to drive them around town. It was an absolutely beautiful car. But I wasn't looking for it. I put out the intention for it. But when it came into my life, it just popped up. It was just there. And it was at a giveaway price. The guy literally sold me a $60,000 car at that time for $4,000. I mean, go figure. So high flyers, I'm going to share with you something right now, and I urge you to write this down, better yet, memorize it. This is absolutely essential. Look at your screen now. Don't go away. This is important. Your thoughts determine your reality, not your reality creates your thoughts. In other words, most people say, I feel this way because I saw this, or somebody did this to me, so that's why I feel this way. But the truth of the matter is everything that happens in your life is a result of your deep beliefs and your thoughts. Your thoughts determine what come into your life, not the other way around. Your feelings determine your ceiling. So if you have weak feelings for what you desire, in other words, if you don't have clear, crystal clear thoughts, and you have weak feelings, you're going to have a low ceiling. You're not going to get very far off the ground. You won't be soaring high like a beautiful eagle. So your feelings determine your ceiling. Increase your feelings. And how do you do that? By getting your body moving, by increasing your visualization, by making everything bigger, bolder, brighter. That's how you increase your feelings. And by having absolute certainty that what you are manifesting is already present in your life. So high flyers, step 1 is your thoughts determine your reality. Step 2 is to really crank up your feelings. But here's step 3. You probably won't hear this anywhere else, but it absolutely works. Do you remember perhaps when you were a kid looking through one of those toilet paper rolls or those paper towel rolls, and you kind of looked through it like it was a telescope? What I want you to do is relax yourself and create this telescope, this tunnel, and literally feel your mind being drawn through the tunnel out the other end. The other end is the life that you desire, your perfect life, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health you depend upon. Now, this tunnel really works. I call it the tunnel of manifestation, because as you create this tunnel in your mind and then allow yourself to be drawn through the tunnel and out the other end, you're in a new world. I don't know where this world is at. This world could be a parallel universe. It could be a created universe, but it is a universe that exemplifies the life that you truly, deeply want to live, the money you desire and love you crave, and everything else. It's all there. So literally feel yourself being drawn through the tunnel, out the other end, and then into the world that you desire. Once you're there, high flyers, don't leave. Don't leave that spot until you say how grateful you are. I'm grateful that I have the health that I desire. I'm grateful that I have my new home. I'm grateful for my new car. I'm grateful for my new boat. I'm grateful for my vacation, for my family, for my son, for my relatives. I'm grateful for my career. I'm grateful for you. Be in that tunnel, out the other end, and experience it, love it, enjoy it, and then end with gratitude. Now, here's the secret. Do not come back through the tunnel and then wake up or then bring yourself out of the meditation. Bring yourself out of the meditation when you are at the other end, when you have transferred your consciousness through the tunnel and you've experienced the life that you absolutely desire and you've given gratitude. Then you can open your eyes or fall asleep, whichever works best for you. But at that point, the universe is pouring all the good things that you desire into your life. It's like rubbing that lamp and making those wishes. It's happening right now. It's manifesting before your very eyes. It's incredible. You have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.